Tactical flashlight. Airsspu super bright LED tactical flashlight. High lumen handheld flashlight. Zoomable adjustable focus 5 modes. Water resistant torch. Rechargeable 18650 lithium ion battery and charger. Portable multipurpose flashlight. Powerful bright light at your hand. Useful at home, in the car, at your toolbox. 4 different working modes to select. Long life LED bulb. CREE technology. Works with standard 3xAAA batteries. 50% discount and free shipping. Click the link from the description below to order tactical flashlight. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe now.